Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how do you disable your Instagram. So simply at first open your Instagram account, click on to profile. This method will be work any Android and iOS. Tap on three line, click on account center and then showing it to personal details. Just press on to open. Select account ownership and control. Tap on select account. Then showing it to two different way if you want to deactivate or delete. So I'm just select deactivate, continue and continue, and you need to just enter your password and finally click on to continue. Then successfully disable your Instagram.